In this adventure, we'll be overlanding the Republic of Paraguay.
We're still in Paraguay.
In Paraguay, we'll be visiting historical battlefields, we'll be hiking under overhanging waterfalls, we'll be celebrating Halloween South American style, we'll be doing much needed repairs to our camper, and we'll be enjoying life amongst friendly locals.
All aboard!
Paraguay may not have exhilarating tourist attractions, but Paraguayans love to have fun, and it is a great place to eat out, to do camper repairs, and to simply relax and enjoy the view.
Oh wow, this is really epic.
Hi, I'm Dana, and this is my husband Javier, and my two kids, Lucas and Clara. We sold it all to go travel the world, and we won't stop until we've seen it all.
Paraguay is a landlocked country in South America with a typical tropical and subtropical weather. It is formed mostly by flat grasslands and wooded hills.
Off to Paraguay we go. Principally, we're going because we have to do some repairs. They have all the pieces and the labor is cheap.
Paraguay is that big and known place that sounds very cool, Paraguay.
All right, we are in Paraguay. There's a McDonald's. Yay! I guess we know where we're going for dinner.
This is the longest we've been without being in a McDonald's.
Good as always.
We're in a McDonald's in Paraguay.
Got here late last night after doing all the border formalities. It was already dark, so we've parked in front of the military, but now it's time to explore this country. Well, we've reached the national park of Corá.
The Corá National Park was the location of the last battle of the Paraguayan War. The Paraguayan War confronted Argentina, Brazil, and Uruguay against Paraguay. The war ended in Corá with the death of the Paraguayan president Solano Lopez and the consequent rendition of Paraguay and the loss of around 40% of its territory.
We're gonna do a 6-kilometer historical jungle hike.
Let's go. Happy hike, happy hike. What are we doing?
A hike to try to see animals.
She doesn't know we're going to see some historical landmark.
But there could be animals along the way.
It feels nice to hike. It's been so hot.
Temperatures here have really dropped. It's only gonna be a high of 27. Wild pineapples, this is a first.
Here's a pineapple top.
Never seen this before.
Yeah, look at that.
Here's a pink pineapple. It's so pretty.
What do we have?
We have a pink plant.
Looks like someone spray painted it. We've reached our first historical point. This is where the Presidente Mariscal died in a battle in the 19th century. I love the sound of the jungle, and we're completely alone. There's no one here, even though it's a Saturday. Oh, we got an owl.
This one bird? That bird is attacking us.
It's a hunting bird.
I think it's territorial. It's got to have its nest nearby.
Definitely going crazy.
Oh my God, Clara.
Wanted to attack me.
All right, well, we've reached the end of the hike. It hasn't been extraordinary, but it's actually nice to be able to hike without sweating.
That's us done hiking. We're back on the road, and now we've got a long stretch of Paraguay to cover to get to our final destination of Ciudad del Este.
We're just in a little town called Santa Rosa, and we're stopping for the night. We ended up stopping right in front of the police station. They were really nice, so this is where we're camping for tonight. So we're gonna go for some dinner.
That's real Paraguayan meal.
Well, I don't think we have a choice here. We're looking at our first Paraguayo menu, and we've got sirloin steak, 350 grams, for like €4. So that's decided for us.
We got our massive steak.
It's really good.
Melts in your mouth.
I'm having a blast with the kids.
Well, we are back on the road again. We've got 300 kilometers to our next stop.
We are on the way to a place called Swiss Falls. The place is absolutely breathtaking. Well, we're in paradise. It was a long road to get here, but it's this beautiful park.
This place is great. There's 2 tree houses. One is there and one is there. Hello! This is my bed, and here is where I eat.
Gonna sleep here tonight, Clara?
So that's the tree house section.
Let's go look at the view now.
Well, we've got the most beautiful view. You can see the whole countryside. We're right on a cliff, essentially. I can hear some water. It's supposed to be this huge, beautiful waterfall. We found the source of the stream, but yeah, it's not flowing very hard.
So normally, that's the waterfall. Completely dry.
Let's go for an adventure. Let's go.
Oh, wow.
this is really epic. Too bad there's so little water. It'd be nice to swim, but you can tell there's just no water and it's kind of stagnant.
Let's go under it.
I could see a shower in here.
This is very beautiful. We're right behind the waterfall. Imagine when this is in full flow.
Oh, it is so nice here.
Well, we have made it to Ciudad del Este, which is a paradise for getting things done. First thing on the list, new front wheels.
It's like the Formula One and it's very, very fast, very efficient.
This is awesome.
Paraguay doesn't have much to see, but this is really one of the reasons you come to Paraguay.
It's Halloween here. We went shopping. We got costumes. We're all ready and we're going to the plaza and hopefully they can do a little trick-or-treating at the stores.
Let's go. I am dressed as a witch. Vampire.
We're going trick-or-treating South American style. Let-or-treat. Sorry, I mean trick-or-treat.
We've got this amazing outdoor food court and I heard they do a bit of a Halloween thing here.
He's a skeleton.
Well, we've ended up spending a whole week here in Ciudad del Este. We spent an amazing Halloween and my birthday. And I got lots of special gifts, including a beautiful new custom-made roof rack. And we finally got to install our Starlink. And I have one more birthday present that's coming. Javier is finally gonna shave off that horrible stash.
The whole family's been bugging me. Save that thing, save that thing.
My 3 birthday presents. Show us your new face! Amazing!
He cut it off his mustache.
I kind of miss it.
Papa cut it off his mustache.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Well, we've gotten into the outskirts of the city to Monday Falls. These falls are amazing.
And the best thing is that we're literally right there.
It's very slippery.
This is one of the falls. I think it's the littlest one. Found the most beautiful flowers. I thought it was like a parrot at first because it's got a beak, head, back, tail, feet.
There are turtles here. There's bunnies. Let's go try to touch them.
Well, now we're in the jungle. Beautiful in here.
Jungle walk.
This is Piranha Lake.
We're still within the city of Ciudad del Este, so it's really nice to see. Ooh, we can take the boat ourselves.
Captain Lucas.
Okay, look.
All aboard!
Woohoo! Boat ride. Oh, the view from here really is nice.
This is a very nice forest walk.
It's really beautiful. Well, this is clearly the real Salto Monday, and it's amazing. There's 3 huge falls.
Clara.
Nails on your face is very good for you.
I guess the Fonta snail.
Ew. I think this is one of our best views yet. We have this waterfall to ourselves. That's us done here at Monday Falls. We are at the juncture where the Paraná River meets the Iguazu River. And right here you can see 3 countries, Argentina, Brazil, and here we're still in Paraguay. Now we are crossing over the huge bridge.
Friendship Bridge.
Well, we've just finished crossing Paraguay and now we are crossing the Friendship Bridge back into Brazil. So the adventure continues.
That's us done here in Paraguay. We've had a wonderful time. It doesn't have that many huge highlights to it, but we had a lovely time meeting the people. The food was amazing. We got a lot of work done. And yeah, overall, we've had a lot of happy memories. The kids have met a ton of Paraguayan kids. They've had a blast. And we did see a few beautiful waterfalls, a few jungles. So yeah, we've had a great time, but it's time to head off and continue our trip in Brazil.